Hello and welcome back to the Tracking Success channel, and today we're diving into Google Analytics 4 to understand how to manage first-party user data settings effectively. As I said, Google Analytics added enhanced conversions into Google Analytics, and the problem with that is that it is by default GA4 is set to collect and possibly scrape personal data from your web pages, because by default it is on. This might raise privacy concerns, especially under string data protection laws. Disabling these settings help you stay compliant with privacy regulations and respect users' consent. So let's walk you through the steps on how to disable this. Just go to admin and to data streams, click on your data streams and then go to configure tag settings. Once you're here, scroll down and you will see here allow user provided data capabilities. This one is just new. When you click on it, you see by default that it is on. And to avoid automatic scraping of personal details like email addresses and that kind of stuff, toggle this one off, automatically detect user provided data. And to stop the collection of hashed personal identifier information, toggle off allow user provided data capabilities. And then press save. And that is how to turn off hashed first-party user data in Google Analytics with Google Analytics 4 Enhanced Conversions. So that was really it. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs down below. Your likes help me to understand what content you enjoy and what I should create in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This was Tracking Success for now, and I'll see you in the next one.